In this video, I'm about to show you how to use NordVPN on a mobile device. So right now, as you can see, I'm on my cell phone device and it's super easy to actually use. Now, once you're onto your dashboard, you will be seeing this type of welcome screen. From there, you can choose to start with your subscription, and by the way, you can get 70% off on NordVPN if you want to unlock a lot of different kind of regional structures and shows and streaming services. You can use NordVPN, and that is something that you should not be missing out with. So head over to the link in the description and get 70% off. Now you can see, once you type nordvpn.com, you will be coming across this platform. You can get NordVPN from here and a lot of many other services as well. So that's how simple it is to use on your mobile device, and I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.